So here's how to make a YouTube playlist not collaborative. It's quite simple. So for that reason, first of all, you need to open up your YouTube application and simply go with the profile icon on the bottom right side corner. Simply tap on that. And then from here, you need to go with the view all into the playlist options. And now as you can see, here is one of my playlist which is collaborative. So we will go with the pencil icon from here. Simply tap on the pencil icon and we'll find out the collaborative. As you can see, it is been turned on. So now if we want to turn this off, like simply go and select the visibility option to private. All right, just select the private, and as you can see, the collaborative option is now turned off. So simply go with the save, and this will make your YouTube playlist not collaborative. And another thing you can do is like you can go with the public, but the collaborative, on the collaborative option, you need to go and turn this off like this, and this will also turn off the collaboration or collaborative of your YouTube playlist. So that's how you can simply do it. So hope this video helps. If yes, please leave a like and have a very good day.